Hey guys, Ed here. Today we have this 2008 Mitsubishi Eclipse, and in this video I'll show you how to remove your headlight bulbs, low and high beam, in case if your one is out. So first we're gonna do, open the door, pop the latch, the hood, raise the hood, and pull the stand up. Alright, okay, I'll show you on this side first. So let's do this. Right here, you're gonna take a look carefully. You see those wires? These wires, they go and they connect, they go into the headlight assembly. This connector in the end is connected to the bulb. So in order to get the light out, this light here, we're gonna do this. We're gonna take it and spin it. Okay, so I'm taking the bulb and pull it out. Okay, so what we did here is I spinned it and pull out. Okay, so here we have our bulb. To disconnect the bulb, you press the connector here, the middle piece, and pull out the bulb, and you have your bulb. So now you go to the parts store, get the replacement bulb. Just tell them which car you have, and then they will give you whatever you need. Then when you have the replacement one, same way, connect with the connector, slide it back in, once you have it in, you have to find the correct position for the bulb. Okay, once you have it, you spin it. See, like this, and put it in and spin till it clicks. Okay, good. That's it. This is how you change it. As you can see, it's very simple. It's a very simple procedure. Same procedure goes with the passenger side. Okay, same way. If you need to replace it, put your hand inside, spin it, pull it out, remove the bulb. Once you have the replacement one, put it in and spin it. Okay, very simple. Hope you guys understand how to do this. Okay, so if this helps, press like and have a great day. Bye.